Hi, today I'm participating in a Halloween vignette with DIY 2019. If you want to see what my vignette looks like and my DIY, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, this Halloween vignette with DIY 2019 is being hosted by Gleeza over at Made With Glee. Be sure to check her out. I'll link her channel below along with the playlist so you could check out all the other creators to see what they came up with for this Halloween vignette with DIY. Hope you enjoy. Okay guys, what I decided to do was make a plate and using all Dollar Tree items. So I'm going to show you what I did, and at the end stick around so you can see how I put it all together. So here we go. Hey guys, I am back. I want to show you what you need for this project. I bought a new one of these, but they last, if you don't decoupage a lot, it lasts a long time. I had the other bottle like this for about 10 years. And this is water-based sealant glue and finish. It's Modge Podge, and I picked this up from Walmart. And then the next thing you'll need is some brushes. These I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I showed you on my last haul. And I didn't buy new because I have plenty of this, I hope. But this is the Apple Barrel Black Matte Acrylic Paint. So you'll need some black paint. It doesn't matter what brand. And I picked up these sponge brushes, and it has 8 in the pack. I got these from the Dollar Tree. That's a good deal for that. You'll need some scissors, and you'll need a napkin. This is the one that I got from the Dollar Tree last year, and I had some left. And of course you're going to need a clear glass plate, and make sure it's clean. I actually got these, they have them at the Dollar Tree, but I actually got this one from yard sale for 50 cents. Okay, so we're going to get into this, and I'll show you how I did it. Hold on.